Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you dessert. It's going to be Almond Semolina Halwa. In typical Punjabi, it's a Badam Sooji Halwa. It's very delicious and very tasty and easy to make. I'll be using superfine almond flour. If you don't have the almond flour, then you always can get the fresh almonds. Take the skin off and put into the grinder. I'm going to use 120 ml, which is half cup. Sugar, I'm going to use 1/3 cup. To taste, you can add more or less. Suji, semolina or Rava, 1/4 cup. Desi ghee, 1/8 of the cup. 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder. It's a regular milk. I'm going to get the saucepan and I'll get 2 cup milk. And let's start making halwa. I'll start gas. We're going to bring our milk to boil. And on the other side, we're going to get a fry pan and we're going to start gas on medium. Bring almond flour and suji at the same time. On medium flame, we're going to cook. Keep moving so it won't get burned. Cooking almond flour and suji semolina for 3 minutes. It start to change color, and now I'm going to bring desi ghee. And on the other side, our milk came to boil. I'm going to bring the temperature to low. We're going to work on our almond and suji. So I'll bring desi ghee. I'm going to mix it well with our desi ghee. I'm going to bring my gas to number 2 and we're going to cook it on low gas. On a low gas, cooking for additional 2 minutes. Our almond flour, suji is nicely cooked along with desi ghee. Now I'm going to bring milk. Keep your gas at a low temperature and we're going to bring the milk. Keep mixing. Now we're going to bring gas on high and we're going to cook it until it thickens. One minute of cooking, as you can see, it start to get thickened. Now I'm going to bring gas to medium and now we're going to cook it on medium flame. For another 2 minutes, our halwa is all ready. Now I'm going to bring cardamom powder and we're going to mix it. Once it's nicely incorporated, I'm going to turn off the gas and we're going to dish out. Our almond semolina halwa is all ready. Badam Sooji Halwa, and you always can garnish with more almonds. And this is the perfect dessert, and it's so easy to make and it's very delicious. Please try it and you're going to like it. Please comment below how it turned out for you, and I'm going to see you soon with the new recipe. Best of all, Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.